Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we invited Engineer Wang to show you guys the complete process of bottom film threading for the full-side EPS packaging machine. Let's get started. Here we go. It's a must to open the cover and stop the roll for safety purpose during the threading the PE film. It's important to note that the steps for threading the PE film must be accurate as the drawing and the video step. And after the film is threaded, it needs to spray out smoothly without any wrinkle, and align the up film and bottom film together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.